Hello everybody and welcome back to lesson 5 of animals in their environment. It is a cold and blustery day in Hermanus and hope you're all keeping warm and well. And it's a really good time to focus on art. So let's get down to what we are doing today. We've spent weeks drawing our animal in its environment, creating designs around the outside, looking at patterns, looking at markings, looking at pulling together a mandala, a circle of our animal in its environment. And today we are about to start the actual coloring of the animal. I'd like to remind you that this is not coloring in. It's not a line drawing where we fill in all the blank spaces. We've practiced quite a bit of different techniques with stippling, with scribbling, hatching, cross-hatching. And today we are going to take all those techniques that we did last week, that we focused on last week, when we took our line for a walk and practiced different ideas. And we're going to apply them to our animal in its environment. And we're also going to continue to explore and experiment. So it doesn't mean that we are stuck in what we chose to do last week. We might start to work on our work and find something else that we want to add or change something. So keeping in mind, it's always being open to change. You don't want to have a result in your mind and then get stuck there. Otherwise, it stops being alive. So that is what we are doing today. I would like you to gather your pencil crayons together, and the idea is that you are going to gather all of the colors that you need and as many colors around the colors, as many monochromatic and related colors as possible. So for example, I've got a leopard. Let's say one of the main colors is yellow. I'm going to also choose an orangey yellow and an orange and even a brown going into the darker shades, and I'm going to choose a lemon yellow perhaps and start to pull those yellows out. So try to encourage your learners to use at least 2 different yellows, for example, if they've got the pencil crayons. If they don't have many pencil crayons, they can do amazing techniques. They can shift their techniques, they can shift their intensity, they can do a lot with just one color. But preferably we're looking at pulling those colors out to the related colors as well. So we're going to focus on colors, related colors, monochromatic and contrast. And we're going to look at texture, all different kinds of texture and contrast of texture. That is what we're doing today. So gather your things together. Remember to have a sharpener, very important, your original artwork, and a couple of pieces of A4 paper and your texture experiments from last week, and we'll get stuck in. So see you back here just now.